Hi there, Sophia here. I'm so glad you stopped by because I have a giveaway that I think you're going to love. Valentine's Day is next week, and I've been bringing some things together that I think would make a really fun giveaway, and I'm going to tell you about them now. The first thing is this Lancome little container. I love this size for brushes, for whenever you're traveling, whether it's a hairbrush or hair items, or mostly for makeup brushes. I love that it's long, has a very nice zipper, and it has a bright color, and it says Wink and Makeup. And the best part is what's inside. There are 3 travel size products that I love of Lancome's. The first one is my favorite eye makeup remover, which is the bestselling eye makeup remover. It takes away the most stubborn makeup. And it leaves your eye feeling hydrated and moist, and it's very gentle on all these little delicate tissues around your eyes. And the other thing is a Lancome travel size mascara. This is the Hypnose, which is wonderful. And also a travel size pencil, their kohl eyeliner in a beautiful color called Black Coffee, which is kind of like an espresso color. And I love to use it up in the tight line. So that's going in here. And then I have this cute little clutch bag. And the reason I love this, I actually have 2. One for me and one that I'm giving away. Well, first of all, it's made out of this kind of plastic and material so you can clean it. But most of my handbags are black inside for some reason. And so when I need to find something quickly, I love having either a makeup bag or a little clutch that's a bright color or a light color so I can just grab it quickly. And this is perfect. So I'm going to give away this. I'm also giving away some makeup because I love NARS lipsticks, and this one is very beautiful. It's called VIP Red. It's pretty much universal red color, and NARS has such beautiful products. The other product that I'm giving away is their illuminator in the color Orgasm. It's actually in a tube, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's a really pretty color. It's kind of like a golden color. I think it's going to be gorgeous for the spring and summer. You just put a tiny dab on your fingertip and just do it up on your cheekbones, or maybe in the apples of your cheeks, wherever you want a little bit of highlighting. So that will also be going in. And I have a full-size anti-aging facial cleanser by Patricia Wexler, who many of you know is a well-known celebrity dermatologist. I haven't tried this yet, but I've heard good things about it, so hopefully whoever gets it will love it. I also have an little office repair kit, which is in a cute bright red. Also, you can't miss it. I love this bright color. It's filled with all those little necessities you'll need in the office to get you out of a bind. I have a set of earbuds because you can never have enough earbuds. So you can have an extra set. The writer in me wants to give you a bookmark. So you're getting a bookmark of my Heartthrob series. This is of the 5 books. Bookmark, and also a Sophia Knightley pen in pink. You can't miss it. Throw it in your handbag. You'll find it quickly. I also have some really fun little stickers by Glow House. These are little stars, a fun item to have. And the last thing that I have here, well, second to the last, are these beautiful little cubic zirconium stud earrings that pretty much go with anything. And I think everyone should have earrings like these because if you ever want to just wear something very casual, white cotton shirt, these look so pretty, or anything you want to wear them with, you can't go wrong. And the last item to put all of this in is what Sephora gave out during their VIB sale, and it is just a tote. It's really cute. It's lightweight cotton and perfect for toting around your lunch or anything when you go to the office or when you go shopping. Just keep it in the back of your car. I hope you like all my goodies. And now the rules to enter this contest. Of course, you have to be a subscriber. The most important thing is if you are not a subscriber, click that subscribe button because it is only open to subscribers, and leave a comment below with 2 things. Letting me know that you are a subscriber, and also tell me what kind of videos you like to watch on YouTube. Do you like my makeup tutorials, or do you enjoy the reviews? Do you like empties? Do you like videos that have to do with lifestyle, cooking, anything your heart desires. Just let me know what you enjoy watching, and I'd be very pleased to read all of your comments. I will be choosing the winner on Monday, February 12th. So stay tuned for that. I'll make an announcement on this actual video. And be sure to give it a thumbs up so it gets lots of likes, and share with your friends. Let everyone know about this. I love doing giveaways, and the reason for this giveaway, which I didn't mention initially, is because I am celebrating all of you. I'm over the moon that I have reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm actually over 1,000 now, 1,110 or so, but it's growing. I'm very excited about it. When I first started this channel, my goal was to share all the things that I love with you. I love beautiful things, whether it's makeup, hair related, lifestyle, decorating, all those things I think really lift our spirits. And I like sharing with you what I find and what I can recommend. So thank you again for being part of my life here. I really am very grateful to have you, and I hope you will join in this giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye now.